Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is 64th ISO Council meeting. India is about to host the 64th International Sugar Organization or ISO Council meeting. The meeting is scheduled to be held in New Delhi from 25th to 27th June 2024. Delegates from more than 30 countries and representatives of many international organizations are joining to deliberate on critical issues of the sugar and biofuel sector. A workshop titled Sugar and Biofuels Emerging Vistas will be organized at Bharat Mandapam. Now let's discuss about ISO, that is International Sugar Organization. It serves as a vital intergovernmental body dedicated to enhancing the global sugar market. It represents 87% of world sugar production and 64% of world sugar consumption. The organization encompasses a diverse range of countries with a total of 88 member nations including India. The ISO administers the International Sugar Agreement 1992, aiming to foster international cooperation in sugar-related matters, facilitate intergovernmental discussions to improve the global sugar economy, and encourage expanded sugar use, especially in non-traditional applications. Now is the time to test your knowledge. Recently, India is about to host the 64th ISO Council meeting 2024 in which city? Lucknow, New Delhi, Kanpur or Bhopal? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।